So let's say I want to go ahead and add in a short HTML code inside of WordPress right here. In that case, you can actually use something called a shortcode block. So to do that, I'm just going to go right around onto, let's say this particular section, click on the plus button, and over here, I'm going to type in shortcode right here. So let's just go around and type in shortcode, and you can see that this is what you have, shortcode right here. So now, let's say for example, I'm going to go around onto YouTube where I actually have this iframe code right here. I can simply go ahead and copy this code and then go around, paste it out in the shortcode section right here, just like this. If I were to go ahead and save this and then go around and view the post right here, then what happens is that shortcode will actually take action, and then you will be able to see the video embedding right here, just like this. And you can utilize shortcode like this to add in a bits of short HTML codes in order to embed it onto your WordPress website easily. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.